Hello, my name is Andrew, and I'm presenting my CS412 final project. I decided to do a multiplayer campaign manager for a game called EU5. The first thing you see is the homepage, where it displays all games, active and inactive. These seasons are how campaigns that take weeks or months are represented. To go through as someone looking to start a game, I will create my season and call it Season 4. After creating my season, I have make and delete privileges because I'm automatically made the host of that season. And although I do want to make my picks, I think I should browse the available nations first. Going to browse nations, I can see all 1,500 playable countries in the game. Although I don't want to search through this list, I would rather go by region. So I will select, say, Scandinavia. And looking at this much shorter list of the region I'm looking to play in, I see Denmark, and I think that's a great idea. So I will go back to all seasons, and now you can see season 4, the one we just made, is now available. I will click on that, and then I will go to submit my picks. After allowing a second for the map to load, here you can see all 1,500 nations represented. You can see the Yuan dynasty in China, the Golden Horde, Portugal, England, any number of nations. And as a quick note, if you click on your nations here, you can delete the picks. But I want to set my first pick to Denmark because that is the nation that I settled on. But as the rules dictate, I will need a second and a third pick. So as my backups, I will choose England and Castile. Submitting my picks. As you can see here, my username canon is matched with my first pick, Denmark, because I just made my picks. Now I'm going to lock submissions, not allowing no one else to make new picks, and I'm going to change the status of the season to active. This gives us a new view, one where I can make new sessions, I can make State of the Unions based on who is playing in the nation via this ledger. Since I'm the only one playing, I'm the only possible candidate. But as you see here in this map, since I made my pick Denmark, this map will update live with any new picks that are made. As you can see here, canon my username highlights when you hover over, and down here is a key. But every week before the game starts, you have to make a State of the Union called the stew. And for my stew, I will name it Season 4, Session 1. And I will make a short description. Denmark will rule the waves. Normally they would be longer, but for the sake of brevity, there you go. Now, since I made this State of the Union, I have edit and delete privileges over it. But moving on, you can see my pick is represented, Denmark, when the map loads, and I have a State of the Union made. But the next thing as host I have to do is make a new session. This is the first session in the season. We'll just choose this to be the date. And for my file, I will choose a map that my friends have already made. And then this is assuming the session is already done. Everyone had a great time. This would normally be used to document important things that had happened. And if I click on the map, I can enlarge it or close it out with this. But moving on to see examples of a season that is no longer active, I can go to the season which is completed that I hosted sometime in the past. This one had 3 sessions, had this many players playing, and all picks on the map were represented. So it looks like this is what all of my friends and I picked. And this would be updated anytime a new player made their picks, and the key is filled out with all the players who made selections.